Where am I?
Wouldn't you like to know, Mr.
Blowhard.
That's Professor Blowhard von Dusselstein und fröhliche Weihnachten Spielberg to you.
Professor Blowhard von Dusselstein will...
God damn it, just call me Blowhard.
You'll never get away with this, Blowhard.
Never is a very long time, Mr. Blonde. Besides, I'm already getting a May visit. At this precise moment, to a bunch of kids on a field trip to Fort Knox. Unbeknownst to them and the others around them, I have slipped a modified version of nitroglycerin into all of their juice boxes. After lunch, I will detonate all the children, blowing a huge chasm into the gold depository at Fort Knox, which is right below the cafeteria. Finally, I will have all the gold in Fort Knox. I expect only one thing from you, Mr. Blonde.
I suppose you expect me to talk.
No, Mr. Blonde. I expect you to Motherfucker, someone's calling me right in the middle of my goddamn speech. Prepare to die. I have to take this. Sorry.
Hi, Professor Dussel.
It's Blowhard. Just call me Blowhard.
Hi, Blowhard. I have some bad news. I can't cat sit for you this week.
What? But I need someone to watch Kittlas this weekend. I have a very important heist. I told you that, Claire.
I know, and I feel terrible. But do you remember that play I told you I auditioned for? King Lear interpreted into 8 hours of silent breath?
Of course not.
I booked it.
Yippee!
Oh, look, there's a squirrel outside my window.
Well, Claire, before you go, might you be able to recommend someone else?
Not really. I mean, you pretty much killed all the other cat sitters I know.
Speaking of which, could you please look out the window?
Yeah, of course.
Initiate squirrel laser.
Fuck my life! All right, how the hell did you get that martini?
Shaken, not stirred.
That's not what I meant. Never mind. Where was I?
So you expect me to talk?
Yes, that's right. No, Mr. Blonde. I expect you to know a cat sitter.
I'm sorry, but that's not the kind of pussy with which I am acquainted.
How do you still have a job when you say stupid shit like that?
You're one to talk, Blowhard. I happen to work as a
Rhetorical question. Enough. Look, prepare to die. I have to make a few phone calls.
Blowhard, don't...
Merciless. Long time no speak.
Yeah, for a reason. What do you want?
I always admired your disdain for small talk.
I have a disdain for anything small. That's why we broke up.
Fair enough. Okay, I'll get to the point. Would it be possible for you to cat sit for Kittler for me? It would just be over the weekend, and I'll pay you double what I play normally. I mean, I just have to go to Tennessee this weekend.
Oh my God, are you trying to break into Fort Knox again? The 60s called. They want their heist back.
Hate is going to hate. You know, Oprah says surround yourself with only those who are going to lift you higher.
And that is why you are alone right now. Look, Kittler is loud and needs a lot of attention. I am not available.
Okay, nice call. All right, are you prepared to...
Oh,
what the fuck? Who the hell is that? Hey, Bimbo, get the fuck out of my torture chamber. Oh, wait. Do you cat sit? Great. Well, then continue getting the fuck out, okay?
Bye, Mr. Blonde.
Cheerio.
It's my torture chamber. Why isn't she saying goodbye to me?
Still can't find a sucker, eh, Blowhard?
Oh, I think I know someone.
You said that last time.
Prepare to die, yada, yada.
Hey, wait.
Hey, small dick.
Okay, it's Blowhard.
Hey, don't blow too hard. Your dick will fall away.
Oh, Olga, you are always so funny. Listen, Olga, darling, I have a little issue I was hoping you could help me with. Would you perhaps be able to cat sit Kittler for me?
Yeah, absolutely. I love Pussycat.
Oh, what? That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Olga.
Him and Brute is going to be best friends because Brutus love cats.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, he wants to say hi.
Hi.
He eat cats
Oh.
for breakfast.
Oh dear.
He already eat one cat.
I'm not good. Okay. Well, Olga, look, I don't. I got someone else. Yes, I got someone else. Yeah, they just texted me. They just texted me, and they said that they can watch him for me. So, listen. I'm gonna go now. I think I got it covered. So, Olga, just it's nice to talk to you. Snow, snow, snow. Oh, I'm losing you, snow. What the ever-loving fuck was that? Oh, I would never leave you with my little furry. How are you? What? Who's calling me?
Hello?
How the hell are you calling me? That's a really weird angle.
Don't worry about it.
Is that camera your penis?
Maybe. Listen, I can cat sit.
Huh. Well, I know I should be really suspicious, but I'm really in a bind. So let me print out Kittler's instructions for you, okay? What? How?
Initiate
Oh,
squirrel
no.
laser.
Kittler, what are you doing? No!
Now is the time, my feline hordes. The world will be our litter box.